Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make quick and easy junk journal pages with book page borders using this set of junk journal templates. The template set includes 10 templates in PDF and PNG format in sizes 11 inches by 8.5 inches and 10 inches by 7 inches. The templates can be used in Photoshop, Photoshop Elements and Photopea or similar software programs, as well as Canva. These templates can be used with a variety of different types of digital papers, so you can create your own unique printables in no time at all. To print using the PDF file, open the template file and select the page you want to print. In the Print dialog box, make sure the page scaling option is set to Fit to Printable Area or similar wording depending on your software, so that the template prints at the correct size. Insert a sheet of printed paper or scrapbook paper into your printer and then print the template page. To get started designing pages using the PNG format files, open one of the templates in your photo editing program. I'm using Photoshop Elements, however you could also use Photoshop or Photopea, which is a free Photoshop alternative, or similar types of software. Add a digital paper and move it to a layer underneath the template layer. To add the digital paper, you can use the menu commands to select, copy and paste, or simply drag the image out of the frame and onto the document. You can use one horizontal paper to create two similar pages, or you can use two vertical papers to create a different design on each side. To make these pages, I'm using papers from the Roses in Blooms paper pack. If one of the papers overlaps the other, use a layer mask to hide the overlap. To use a layer mask, select the layer, then click the layer mask icon. Select a hard brush and make sure that the opacity is set to 100%. Then select the colour black and brush away the overlap. Each of the templates will produce a slightly different version of layered pages in an open book. These templates work with all sorts of different digital papers. However, if you'd like to remove even more of the inner border, you can do this using a layer mask. Select the layer, then click the layer mask icon. Select a soft round brush and set the opacity to around 40%. Reduce the size of the brush and carefully brush around the inner border area to create a soft feathered edge. As well as designing in programs like Photoshop, you can also use the templates in Canva. To get started, log into your Canva account. Then make a custom page size 11 inches wide by 8.5 inches high. Then upload the templates that you want to use together with the digital background papers. To upload, you can use the Upload Files button and select the files from your desktop, or drag the files out of the folder and drop them onto the Canva editor. To add the files to the canvas, click on the thumbnail that you want to use and it's automatically inserted into the document. Resize to fit using the resize handles. First add the background paper, then add the template on top. To make another page, click the Add Page button, then add different papers and templates. When using vertical papers, first add both the papers, then the template. Then you can resize the papers to fit within each of the side sections by selecting them in the Layers panel. To access the Layers panel, click the Position button on the top menu, then the Layers tab. Then you can select the layer that you want to adjust and move it around and use the handles to resize the papers to fit the template. Once you've finished designing, download the files to your desktop. Click the Share button and then Download. Select File Type PDF Print and make sure to check Flatten PDF. Then click the Download button.